Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy. It's very simple. First, you have to log into your Underdog Fantasy account on your mobile application or from website. You have to enter your account credentials to log into your account. Then simply click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you will find a withdrawal option. Simply click on it. Now, in this page, you will find the payment method, the withdrawal method that you can select your PayPal account or any interchecks. Simply enter your PayPal account credentials. When you click on PayPal button, it will redirect you to the PayPal checkout page where you just need to enter your PayPal account credentials and you just need to get the permission from your PayPal application. You have to give the permission for transfer money from Underdog Fantasy to your PayPal account. After adding your PayPal account to your Underdog Fantasy, you have to click on that account. Then you have to enter the email and you just need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw to your PayPal account from your Underdog Fantasy application. Now, it should take 2 to 3 business days. You can see they highlighted that at the bottom side, at the under the continue button. Now, after fill out the email section and enter the amount, you can simply click on continue and then it will go through a process. After completing the process, you will get your amount to your PayPal account. For interchecks withdrawal, you also need to add your email address and enter the amount and simply click on continue to continue the payment method. Then you have to enter the required information that prompted on your screen. After fill out all the information, you can withdraw your money through your interchecks. That's how you can withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.